water on the floor. And we're almost there. Put your feet up. You're small enough. Put your feet up. That's why we put you in the middle. You're good. You got high behind. I could have gave you a poncho. I didn't know.
I don't know if it's either the first drop or the second drop. It's like a small drop. That's just the problem with the pump. My feet is
A big one. The big one's in the dark.
Hello? Anyone down here who can blow a horn and jam? Hello?
That's the drop I hate. This one? Yes. It gets you so wet. No,
It
it doesn't. It's the house. It gets you more wet than the big one. You're freaking out.
We're just getting started.
It's just water. You're gonna dry, not gonna melt.
No, it's the camera.
If you're nothing on you licking, you don't have far to go. Tell the people never told you so.
Yes, bro. Yeah.
I told you, it's this one. No, it's the house.
And the next one's in here. Yay, they fixed him. And they fixed Tiana.
I would love for y'all to play my party tonight.
Yay, they fixed him.
He's got your bird.